last week what we're looking at is, this was Monday. We wanted to see us reach into this daily imbalance last week. Us reaching it here, and then for us to trade back higher until these highs, and then potentially reach all-time highs later in the month. Because in the monthly time frame, we have a monthly open. This was August open. We have a monthly open, low. Now we want to, this is our monthly manipulation. So now we want to see a high and a close. But this month is coming to an end, so we'll just have to take a look at what this week does. On Monday we do have a pull it up. We do have a bank holiday. It's like a London bank holiday. There's no news on Monday as well. No news Monday with a bank holiday. Oh my god, I'm not even signed in. Hold up, I can't figure out my password again. Alright, bro, why is this shit? Yeah, so Monday we have no news on Monday, as well as a bank holiday for the GBP, the Great British Pound, with a bank holiday. So Monday's gonna be a horrible day to trade. I'm just gonna be honest, it's gonna be a really bad day to trade. Bank holiday during London session and no news during New York session. So it's gonna be bad. And what I was looking at last week was for us to reach this daily period for us to come higher, but we never got that. So I'm honestly gonna wait. I'm looking at for this week is to see why is no news bad, because there's no volatility in the market. There's nothing to drive price higher or lower. Especially on Monday, where Monday's typically accumulation day. Typically Monday's gonna help form the weekly profile, because right now going into this week, there's really no clear direction. Because if I pull up ES as well, it's really uncorrelated. Like you can see how we're so close to previous day high, and ES is like, and then Q's down here inside this inverse for value gap, where we're kind of traded through on an ES. So it's just uncorrelated. When price isn't correlated, you don't want to trade it. You don't want to trade uncorrelated price action. So for Monday, I'm gonna stay away. See if we can take previous day high on ES, or have some sort of accumulation with, and then potentially take this for us to reach lower down in Tuesday to come higher. So I'm looking at, because right now we're uncorrelated, and I want to see, when I'm looking at an NQ, is to see if this 4-hour inverse for value gap holds to support price to the lower. If we trade off of this, like if we see a move like this, I want to see us reach down into this daily imbalance, right? If we start trading through this, then I want to look at these highs. If we trade over it, so that's what I'm looking at coming into next week. So we have two scenarios. Overall, pretty bullish, but right now price is in a weird spot in premium, really weird spot in premium, because on the daily time frame, last week we just kind of formed the accumulation, right? If you look at last week's action, we just formed this accumulation. Even though last week wasn't that bad, price action wasn't all that horrible. It just didn't expand in one clear direction. Hunter, when do I tell my parents about this shit? How much in payouts? Low key, I told my parents like immediately when I started trading, but I don't know. They didn't really give a fuck. Like they're just like, okay, don't lose our money. Just don't tell your parents. Not right now. There's no point in telling your parents. You know. There's no point in telling your parents. What's it gonna do? Nothing. Right? It's not gonna do anything to you. And are you 18? If you're 18, just you don't gotta tell them. See, when I started, I wasn't 18, so I had to tell them so to use their name. But if you're 18, there's no, you don't gotta tell them. Just don't rinse all your money and go in debt. That's one thing I would recommend, is don't go in debt from this shit. How can I tell if there's no news? So go into Google, type in forexfactory.com, create an account. It takes 1 minute, and then hit calendar, and then click the filter button right here. Filter out everything, or filter out yellow folder news and everything besides USD. Unless you're trading like GBP USD, then you want to have GBP on. Or if you're trading like gold, what you're taking on order news, honestly pointless. I don't know why I have it on. I just like to have it on just to see if there's anything, but pointless. Red folder and gray folder. These are the only two that are really important, is red folder and bank holidays. You don't want to be trading bank holidays, and red folder news is high impact news release. So that's where you have unemployment claims, like right here. There's really nothing much this week. Consumer confidence, that's really not important. But last week we had PMI, unemployment claims. Powell was speaking last week. So those are the days you want to be looking at. So for right now, I want to see us potentially reach into this daily imbalance for us to come higher. I still want to see us get tapped into this week or on MQ. On Q looks better. Right now we're uncorrelated. Wait, what the fuck? Why am I should freeze? Hello? There we go. Yeah, so we're still sitting in this imbalance on the daily time frame. If you look at it, it's not really correlated at all. So I want to see us for this week potential to reach back in a year for us to come higher. That's if we trade below this 4 hour to reach back in here, then come higher. Or if we inverse this once more, then we can honestly just see action going here. Right? So we're not going to trade Monday because that's going to help shape our weekly profile. So we could probably potentially see a classic buy week this week. That's what I want to see. Potentially reach higher. Let's see, get some good action this week. I want to see a classic buy week this week. We have accumulation, manipulation, and expansion higher. This daily imbalance is still what I'm looking at. I don't like how we left it here. And we kind of formed this accumulation. So it's kind of sending, I feel like price is sending for a manipulation move lower for us to reach higher. So that's what I see. But right now we're in this 4 hours. So I just wait. I'd wait. I wouldn't trade Monday if I were you. Monday would not be good. Monday's not going to be good. Do you guys see this candle right here? Hold up. No, I'm not. There's no news. It's a bank holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. I will not trade. Bank holidays are the days I will avoid 100%. Or bank holidays.